Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 200, which is number of islands. Suppose you are given an m into n 2D binary grid, which represents a map of ones, which is land, and zeros, which is water. Return the number of islands. An island is surrounded by water and is formed by connecting adjacent lands horizontally or vertically. You may assume all four edges of the grid are all surrounded by water. So it means that all the leftmost, rightmost, topmost, and bottommost edges are surrounded by water. So we need to calculate the number of islands. So in example one, the grid is this one. So how many number of islands are there? We can see the land. This is 111 and this 11 from here. So the number of islands are 1 because it is connected by land. So output should be 1. In example 2, how many islands are there? So uh, this is one island, this 4. This single one is another island. These two ones combine to form one island. So output is 3. So we need to calculate the islands. Basically, we need to uh, count for all the adjacent ones. These are land. This is a single piece of land, and we should calculate as one island. So we can solve it by using depth first search. Okay, so let us code the solution. First, let us find the number of rows in the grid. The number of columns in the grid. Now we can have the visit array, visit set basically. Now we can have whether a particular cell row comma r comma c is an island or not. First, we need to check if r and c are in the boundary. If r is less than 0 or c is less than 0, or r is greater than equals to rows, or c is greater than equals to columns, or grid of rc is equals to 0, or r comma c is already in visit set, and we are going to return false. Then we will add the r comma c in our visit set, and we'll call this function on the adjacent cells. R plus 1 minus 1 c plus 1 c minus 1, and at the end we are going to return 2 because this is now island. Now what we can do for r in range of rows, for c in range of columns, we'll maintain the count here. So if it's island, then we will increment the count by 1 and return the count. So in this way we have counted the number of islands in the 2D binary grid. Let's run the code. So all the test cases are passed. Let's submit the code. It is taking some time. It is quite slow today. Okay, so the solution is accepted and our algorithm is working fine. And the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n. We are basically using depth first search to find the number of islands in the 2D grid. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.